Justin Bieber lover back again with another video. Today, I'm gonna be making some purple grape slime. Backwards slime. So, backwards slime challenge. I'm gonna move over a little bit. It's like a little dark, I could say. So you might not see my face, it's fine. So the first ingredient for the backward slime challenge is gonna be this. We're gonna add about it's so frustrating. Okay, next up, bicarbonate of soda. And I don't know if this is gonna work. And this one's really easy. Okay, I added quite a lot. I'm gonna mix that in, not fully. Now we're gonna add our clear glue. Okay. Okay. I added the glue, and it is gonna be. Okay. I know this is kind of like bad, but conversations. Oh my gosh, guys. I'll be back when I'm done mixing all this. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got a new mixing tool and I watched this out. I had to throw out for say, I'm not going to be putting the foaming soup yet. So I add a little bit of that, little bit of baking soda, yeah, and like that much. Good amount. Mixing. Okay, okie dokie. There's barely anything, so I'm just gonna add more. Okay, can't really see it. Anyways, now it is time, for some glue, and then I'm gonna add the shaving cream just because. But if there's not enough activator, I'll add more activator. Why are you guys laughing? Laughing. Okay, come on, go. Oh, wait, I got it. Okay, guys. gonna add more glue. I'm wasting. I've used so many. I thought I had just enough. Okay, so guys, this is really ratchet. So this is really bad, I think. I think it's gonna be really bad. Oh, that's definitely clear. Oh my gosh. This is clear. First time. Okay. Keep on mixing because this is really, really clear. Oh my gosh, guys. Why are you guys keep on laughing? I had to add. It was still gluey, so I had to add more. I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna still be mixing. I'm still mixing. I just wanted to resume because you guys been waiting for 10 minutes. I've been. Move this now, just because I've got it now. Okay. I feel like it's gonna be really gluey. Yeah. I'm gonna put it back in here. That is definitely gluey. Oh my gosh. No. Guys, I swear. Now, last ingredient. Will be last thing. Will be shaving gel. Okay, shouldn't have added. I wish that I just kept it clear. I'm gonna keep on mixing because now it's getting a little bit wet. What are you guys doing? What are you guys laughing at? Why?
I have one quick question. Why are you talking British?
Because that's what I do on my YouTube channel. And I'm making a YouTube video.
That's not my name.
Merlala.
I'm not Mermella.
Just adds like tiny bits. Yeah. I'm a loser, so.
Upstairs, if you would, or something, or on the table, or something.
No, I don't want them at the table because they'll ruin my video.
I just finished.
Okay, I added more of that. So goody. Oh, goody. You guys might not see me right now. Okay. This is really tiny. I swear. But now, last ingredient. Like very, very last ingredient. Coloring. Maybe I didn't tell you about the coloring thing. Yay, yay, yay! So, just adding about a pinch. It's purple, just saying, because you guys might not see a thing. But I know you guys see stuff lights, and you don't see me, I'm very sorry. But if you do see me, yeah, you have good eyes. I don't really know what I'm saying right now. Stop laughing. Why are you laughing? Is it juicy?
Yes, and I want to get unlocked as soon as possible.
I hear you. I heard you. Okay, so the backwards slime challenge was a success.
Oh.
What? You didn't know that I was making a backwards slime challenge?
That hurt.
Look at Cleo. Oh, she was sleeping.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, Clee. Didn't see you there. So.
Large chimichanga.
Oh my god, I cannot see myself.
Yeah. You're wearing all dark clothes, man.
This is not dark. Is this dark?
Yeah, that's
No,
really
it's not dark. It's pink.
No, it's red.
You just scratched me.
On accident. Sorry.
Look, I thought my name was Mermella.
Mermella.
Help yourself. There's suckers and
Ew, the suckers taste so bad.
candies.
Just saying. Just saying. You guys can't see me. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so then you know whenever I upload. So yeah, guys. Yeah. Bye, Justin Bieber lovers.